Good morning and welcome back to school. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. The weather today is supposed to be 66 degrees at the high and rainy. So it's going to be nice and warm, but not so nice to go out and play, unfortunately. So if I zoom out a little bit, we can see that yesterday was Easter for people who celebrated. So happy Easter for those who celebrated Easter. And it is still Passover. We still have a couple more days of Passover for those who are celebrating. We are 4 days away from Jessica's birthday. So excited to see Jessica's birthday coming up on Friday. And we are how many days away from Mrs. Laurent's favorite holiday? We are, if we count down, this is 7 down here. It's not like a hundreds chart where we count down 10 because there are 7 days in a week. So we can count 7, 8, 9 days till Earth Day. So that is some things that are going on. I hope you had a wonderful break. We are starting our 137th day of school. Let me find my 7. We are starting our 137th day of school. And if we come down to our base 10 blocks, we have 1 brick, which means 100, 3 rods, 10, 20, 30. And I'll add my cube for today. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 137 days of school. If I take my penny, here's my penny. I'm going to move it over here. And now we'll see how to count 137. 100 is $1. 25, 35, 36, 37. What's another way you can make 37 cents? We have a quarter, which is 25, dime, 35, 36, 37. Think of another way you can make 37 cents. Ask a grown-up, see if you're right. And it is so good to be back together with my beautiful, wonderful friends. I hope that I will see you at Weekend Share. And we'll get to all talk and say one thing we did over break. It's actually Vacation Share on day 137 of school. I'm going to just spend a little time moving over here to the chart for this week. Our vowel team, EA, is the rule that we're going to be working on this week. And basically, a vowel team consists of 2 vowels together in a word. And much like a digraph, the vowel teams combine to make one sound. We often explain it by saying, when 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So in the EA vowel team, you're going to see the E doing the talking and saying its name, E. So when you see E and A together, you usually say E. Now, Sean in our class is S-E-A-N, but his name is not following the rule, which is why I didn't write it on our chart. We're going to have E-A words that say E on our chart. Our spelling words this week, we have meal, M-E-L, meal. We have leaf, L-E-F, leaf. We have the same word leaf, and then we put let. And the word leaflet is like a pamphlet that you might get saying something important, like the memos that go home sometimes from school. L-E-F-L-E-T, leaflet. Come down to the next one. The word is teach. T-E-ch, teach. Down to the next one. Maybe you had one of these when you celebrated Passover or Easter. The word is feast. East, feast. Going back up here to the next column, we have the word peach. P-E-Ch, peach. peach. You may notice it rhymes with teach. And when you come up with more E words, you can think of some of those rhyming words that go with peach and teach. What words rhyme? Here's another one. Peak. P-eek. Peak. Now there's two ways that we spell peak. This peak is like a mountain peak, the top of a mountain. This is not like peekaboo, that would be P-E-E-K. We're learning peak like mountain peak. So if you see peak written like this, you know it means the top of something like a mountain. Here we have the word squeak. 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 I'm inviting you to come up with more EA words because look at all of this space that we have on our list. I would love to fill up that chart with EA words. So please put them in our stream, send them to me so I can put them on the chart. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.